Hello friends, after a long time here we are with a new video for you all. Please watch the full video because we have a surprise for you. The products I used here are brought through Cash Karo and we got this in very low prices. How? That I will tell you in this video later. We all keep thinking to save money every day, but we end up shopping every time. I do that, but you know what? I shop and save money at the same time. You want to know my trick? Well, it's my all-time favorite application, Cash Karo. I shop and save. Isn't it amazing? Cash Karo is India's biggest cashback app, funded by Mr. Ratan Tata. It offers lucrative cashback up to 30% over and above all the coupon codes and sale discounts on over 1,500 plus websites including Amazon, Ajio, Myntra, Big Bazaar, etc. Now you don't need 10 apps to shop. Cash Karo has it all from essential groceries to your shopping. Cash Karo cashback is real cash and can be transferred to your bank account or converted into Amazon vouchers. Do you want to know how to use it? Just click on the link in the description and download Cash Karo. Or you can download directly from Play Store and use code CREATE25 to get Rs 25 bonus instantly. Hurry up! Who doesn't like free 25 bonus? Now just search or select your favorite websites, tap on the orange button. Cash Karo will take you to the particular website. Now just shop normally. Add the products to your cart and make the payment. Isn't it super simple? Now just check your My Earnings section of your Cash Karo account. Now you can transfer the whole amount into your bank account or convert it into Amazon gift vouchers. Cash Karo and I have a surprise for you. Do the following things and one lucky person will get a gift. Make an account on Cash Karo with the link in the description or sign up with the code CREATE25. Make a purchase on any website listed on Cash Karo. Do not cancel your order. A lucky winner will be announced after a month.
Creeps on back to shade my smile.
Guys, Cashkaro is an all-in-one app that is giving you free money for shopping online. Why would you not want that? Cashkaro is giving you extra cashback over and above the existing sale discounts. Just sign up on Cashkaro with the link in the description or download directly and use my code CREATE25 to get rupees 25 both the ways. Make at least one transaction to earn free cashback today.